In this video, I'm going to give you complete A to Z information about how to use Perplexity AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, download the Perplexity AI app on your mobile and open it. You will see an interface where you can ask questions even without logging in or signing up. However, I recommend creating an account or logging in first, because if you don't, the questions you ask won't be saved. To log in, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. You can sign in using any method you prefer, but I will continue with Google. Once you tap on Continue with Google, all your Gmail accounts will appear. Select one to log in. After logging in, it will show you Perplexity Pro plans. The monthly Pro plan is around $19.50, which includes additional benefits. There is also a free version that offers limited file and photo uploads, limited access to Perplexity research, limited AI models, and limited voice mode. So even in the free version, you get plenty of features. There is also a max plan for around $20,200 monthly with full features, but for now I will continue with the free version. Now that I'm logged in, let's learn how to use Perplexity AI properly. On the main screen, you'll see Ask Anything. Here you can ask any question and it will give you an answer. For example, I asked how to make games. And it not only gave me an answer but also included some links and videos, so you can ask anything. Next, if you tap on the camera icon, you can take a photo and ask a question related to it. There is also an option to talk live with AI. Then in the Discover section, you can explore trending topics. The Spaces section allows you to create your own channels or spaces. After that, there is the History section, where you can view all your previous questions. If you go back and tap on Search, you'll find additional options. If you subscribe to Pro, more tools will unlock. Further down, you will see categories just like ChatGPT. For example, if you want to ask something about finance, simply select Finance and then ask your question for better results. You can also upload an image or file along with your prompt. For example, I selected an image and asked it to change its color to white. And within a few seconds it transformed the image. Then I gave another prompt to create a flower image and Perplexity AI generated it. If you want to download the image, click on the three dots and tap download, and it will be saved to your gallery. I hope I have clearly explained how to use Perplexity AI. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.